Alright, so now I have everything disassembled. You could see the evap coil in the fresh food section, the condition of it. So, movie stuff there. So I gotta replace this evaporator coil. Also, the freezer evaporator coil here. You could see just these two tubes. And also in the back, I have to replace condenser coil. Look how caked up that condenser coil is. Pretty bad. And you can see in the drain pan how it looks. Look how deteriorated the condenser, the drain loop is that's sitting in the drain pan. You could see all that green stuff. Alright, so I'm gonna cut all these components out and then we'll start putting everything in. Alright, stay tuned.